Hey friends, if you wish to fix Chrome AW Snap error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So, we need to understand that this error is specific to the internet connection and not just to the Chrome browser. Now, obviously, we will have to try to restart Chrome. Like, let's say if Chrome was open, you'll have to close it and then search for it once again and open it once again. So this is solution number one, but the rest of the solutions will be related to the network and not to the Chrome browser itself. So first of all, check the internet connection. Go to fast.com on any other browser because Chrome is not opening, so we can do it on Edge and check the internet speed. Is it good enough? If yes, then the next one is to reset the network. And how will you reset the network? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced network settings in the right pane, select network reset and then click on reset now. Finally click on yes. Why are we resetting the network? Basically all commands like releasing, renewing the IP address, flushing the DNS, resetting WinSock, all of these are counted into one command and that is resetting the network. The last solution will be to disable the proxy. And how will we disable proxy? Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command inetcpl.cpl and hit enter. This will open the Internet Properties window. Go to the Connections tab, select LAN settings, check the box associated with automatically detect settings, and uncheck the box associated with proxy server. Click on OK and then on OK once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.